Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I have some fall favorites to share with you. I'm not talking like monthly favorites, I'm talking fall pieces. I have makeup, I have body care, skincare, mostly body care, makeup, nails, clothes, shoes that I am so excited to wear this fall season. Start with accessories first, okay? So the first, if you guys watched my Quince haul, then you saw I picked up this amazing suede bag that I've been wearing the heck out of and know I will wear all season long. They also have this in like a red and a navy, but this brown just felt so necessary. I am obsessed with this bag and I've already worn it a ton. So when I did my like fall clothing must-haves, I shared two other belts in there, but this belt I recently got from the brand NAKD and it is everything. I love the studded detailing. So I'm just gonna buy one from Madewell, but they have this for a fraction of the price, and the Madewell belt was on back order till December, so I snatched this up. And I just think it's a fun way to add just a fun element to any outfit, and I love this chocolate brown with the silver detailing. All right, so last for accessories, I'm obsessed with baseball caps, and specifically I wanted some that were more like plain and neutral and didn't have like New York Yankees on it or LA Dodgers or whatever. So I got these ones from Polo and I love them. I feel like they add just like a pop to any basic outfit, whether it's just jeans and a tee, throw on a brown hat and you instantly look more fall. And the red adds like a fun pop to an already very basic neutral outfit. So I'm obsessed with baseball caps. I also have a navy one, but these two I am the most excited about. So let's move into clothing. I am partnering with Fabria on this video to share with you the pieces that I picked up. If you have not heard of Fabria, like I hadn't heard of them either, but I saw them all over my TikTok and I was like, this is super cool, because I feel like in a world full of like Zara's and H&M's and all this where everybody ends up wearing the exact same thing, Fabria is a really cool place because they have over 300 global designers on their website that kind of curates these pieces. So each piece is very specific to the designer who designed them, and they have so many world-renowned designers on their site. And I personally have been obsessed with their fall collection, so I wanted to share with you what I picked up. So I feel like I hit the jackpot with jackets, and if you guys have seen my recent like fall outfits videos or whatnot, I have featured quite a few of these jackets in here, and this one is a new one. I'm obsessed with this fall. This is by the designer Shinha Stantic. I will go ahead and leave it on the screen so I don't butcher it, but I love the detailing of this. This is just the most beautiful suede chocolate brown coat. I love how it's like slightly cropped, but not like too cropped where you feel like, I don't know, it hits you weird. Like it really hits at the hips beautifully. So I love this with just a basic, how I styled it, basic white tee and jeans. I think is the perfect way to highlight this. Or a pair of like leopard shoes or like even a red flat would be adorable. This quality is everything. When I took this out of the package, I was blown away at how beautiful this is. We all know the obsession with barn coats, chore jackets, whatever you want to call them. They're everywhere, and I am equally obsessed with them, okay? So when I saw this, this is like an elevated Carhartt jacket. So the designer of this is Jesper Borgesson? I'm not sure. I love everything about this. Okay, it's perfectly oversized. This is a size small, but I love the pocket detailing. Obviously the corduroy collar, the quilted lined inside that's so nice and warm, and I love the fun pocket detailing. So it's got these like, what do you want to call those? Like metal detailing here, and I love the fun pockets. It is a button one, which I have a zipper one, which I think is a bit more casual, so I thought this one was a bit more elevated and perfectly oversized. And all the detailing, like this back little kind of panel, every detail of these coats is just, you can tell the designer designed them. Like it's just everything. I love that a lot of their jackets have these sort of like extra touches where you can change the sleeve of the jacket, and then it is fully lined all the way through with the corduroy, so you can kind of roll it up and make it look super cute. I love all of the stitching detail on the sleeve. Everything about this jacket is so well designed. Okay, this jacket I have worn so many times, you guys know, in my outfits video, and it's because I am so excited about this. And now that it's even in the 80s, I can still get away with wearing this. But this is the perfect trench coat, cropped with the leather, chocolate brown leather collar. This is by the designer Lilia Kovenska, I'm not sure, sorry. But I love this, again, with the detailing of the buttons and how you can change up the sleeve, like scrunched. You're just gonna get much more of a different fit to it depending on how you wanna wear it. This has a zipper that goes all the way through. I love the little slash pockets. This is such a classic piece. These are pieces that I will have in my wardrobe for years and years to come. I just think you cannot go wrong. And jackets are such a fun way, especially in the fall time, to completely change the look of your outfit. So I'm obsessed with this one. And you guys were obsessed with it when I showed it in some of my outfit videos. So love this one. Okay, cardigans are huge. I think cardigans are always huge, but cardigans, I feel like the button front cardigans are just everywhere this season. And you can get one that's, you know, you can get anywhere, but this one is specifically designed by Kathleen Hankey-Rye, I think is how you say it. I love this thing. Okay, first, I like that it has this little collar on it. The quality on this is incredible. It's mohair and wool, and I love the intricate detailing on these sleeves. This is just made so beautifully. And look at these buttons. Again, such just a fun, unique take on a traditional cardigan. I love this little like tooth licking one, and this one kind of looks like a stone. Just so fun, just an interesting touch to a very basic gray cardigan. And there's something about me and charcoal gray sweaters that just draw me in. Okay, and this one specifically is so cool because it has this red stitching detailing up at the sleeve. This is by the designer Anna Pang, and I love this. I wanted this to be I knew this was going to be oversized, so I went true to size, and I still think it gives you that oversized feel. The quality of this is incredible. The cable knit goes front and back. I have a cream cable knit, but I don't have anything in this dark charcoal gray, which I think is just so pretty. So love the weight and the feel of this sweater. And then last but not least, for a fun little dressy up kind of piece, I went with this little black like pencil maxi skirt. It hits the floor. I did get this in a medium, which I could have done a small. This is by the designer Sebastian Munier. Oh, this is everything. I think I might get this tailored a little bit because I feel like I could cinch it in a little bit, but I was thinking if I wore a sweater or anything like that, I could tuck it in and it would look perfect. The quality of this, it feels like a thick cotton, almost denim-y if you will, but it doesn't look that way at all. There is a beautiful slit in the back, and I just love everything about this. It's got nice slight pockets on the side. This is just so elegant and chic. Again, big shout out to Fabria for partnering with me on this video to kind of share with you the designers that they have and the pieces that they have on their site. I know you guys are gonna be obsessed with it just like I am. As soon as they reached out to me, I was like, yes, because I'd already seen them all over my TikTok. And they did provide me with a coupon code for 12% off, so I will leave it here on the screen, as well as I will leave the specific designer pieces that I picked out in the description box down below if you guys are curious to add them to your fall wardrobe as well. So now that I've talked about all the clothes, jackets, sweaters I am loving for this fall season, let's move into shoes. Okay, I'm a very basic fall sneaker girl in general. I'm very easy, very casual, but I found 3 fall pairs of shoes that even surprised me that I'm in love with. So let's talk about them. The first being these little slip-on loafers. Madewell came out with a pair so similar to this, and there is like this conspiracy theory that Universal Threads is basically like Madewell. And I'm not disagreeing with them. They basically come out with a very similar thing. So Madewell had these last year, then I was like deciding if I wanted to pull the trigger on them, and when Target came out, I said yes, these are so good. Great with a cropped pair of jeans, great with a full-length pair of jeans. These are just an easy way to elevate an outfit a little bit, but still be comfortable and casual. The cushion on this is amazing, and I love these things so freaking much. So if you've been on the wanting to get on the loafer trend but know that like chunky loafers and schoolgirl skirts are just not your vibe, check those out. Okay, I actually have another pair of Target shoes as well, and I have another pair on my list that I want as well, but these, are you kidding? Okay, so I got the mesh ones over the summer. fell in love with them. So when I saw that they came out with a black pair that's like velvet with these rhinestones, I was like, yes, because these elevate anything, especially a baggy jean with a bedazzled crystal pair of flats. Are you kidding? I'm obsessed. So these are by the brand A New Day, and I think they fit true to size. These are a 6.5, and I've been loving styling these. I actually wore these out to dinner recently with a little white skirt and a black top, and I thought it turned out so cute. So I'm gonna be wearing the heck out of these. I already love them so much. And then last but not least, for fall shoes, I've recently picked up these. These are the Blundstone. I think that's I'm saying it right. Little ankle boots, kind of Chelsea boots. I bought these mostly for like outdoorsy type of things, but I also figured they would look so cute with like crop jeans, overalls, just a lot of different things. And I think I'm gonna wear the heck out of these. And I already know they're a favorite, so I'm obsessed. I love the little pull tabs. They are very reminiscent of like, what do I wanna say? Doc Martens. All right, let's move on to the 2 makeup items that I have. I really don't switch up my makeup too much. I like what I like, I know what I like, but 2 things that I do tend to switch up are, one being blush. So this one is the Makeup by Mario Mellow Mauve, and I love this mauve color. It's quite purpley once you like blend it on the skin, but it is so subtle and so beautiful. And if you've never tried out the Makeup by Mario blushes, they're some of my absolute favorites. I really wanted to get into the Patrick Ta blushes, but I'm not a cream blush fan, so I was like, that's kind of a waste for me, and I was steered in the direction of the Makeup by Mario. Obsessed. So I pull this out every fall season. It's honestly such a beautiful soft purpley mauve and pinky mauve, whatever, and I love this. So I can't wait to wear this all season long. It does have a bit of a sheen to it, but nothing like crazy sparkly or anything, which I tend to do more in the summertime. Okay, I am not a huge lip product girl. I like lip balms, okay? I am a recovering Burt's Bee-aholic. So yeah, lip products to be glosses, things like that mostly. But during the fall season, I tend to like to line my lips. I actually have this on right now. This is the Makeup Forever Wherever Walnut, and it's just a very natural look to the lips. But I feel like in the fall season, I'm maybe wearing more layers, maybe adding a little bit more blush, whatever, a little bit more makeup. I pretty much do my makeup all the time, but I love adding a little bit of a lip and overlining slightly. I think it works. And in the fall season with a big chunky cozy sweater, a nice like very neutral lip is everything. So if you're looking for a good lip, but you're not like a lip, this is literally the only lip liner I own, okay? I like Pillow Talk, but I like this one by Charlotte Tilbury. I like this one way better, and I feel like it just matches my skin tone so much better. There's so much hype around this product, and I get it. It's great. All right, let's talk about the fragrance that I'm gonna be living in. You guys know I always work with Dossier. I'm obsessed with Dossier. This is not in partnership with them. I just truly love their stuff. And this specific one, this is the Ambery Vetiver. It's gonna be my signature scent this fall. It is so good. It has bergamot, lemon, bakuchu, orange blossom, marigold, violet, vetiver, amber, and cedarwood. It is just honestly so sophisticated. I want to say it's a replica of Byredo's Ball Afrique. I'm not, okay, I do not know those words, but I would never buy a Byredo fragrance because they're so expensive. And I think I'm gonna wear the heck out of this all fall season. It's like the one that I've been just spraying on myself already so much, so I know it's gonna be a staple. Okay, let's do my one body care product. I am constantly always trying new body products, but I love most of Naturium's body products for like their body lotions or body washes, but this is one product that I will never stay clear of, but I only really add it into my like repertoire, my rotation in the fall and the winter. And first of all, it's because it smells like a sugar cookie in the best way possible. Okay, this is the Kiehl's Creme de la Corpse. The soy milk honey whipped body butter with shea and jojoba butters. It's so good. It literally smells like a sophisticated sugar cookie. Okay, this stuff is thick though, all right? Like thick, you're not putting this on during the day. Like you're putting this on after you've taken a really, like an everything shower and your skin is dehydrated, or after a bath or something like that. But this stuff is my favorite, and I break it out every fall and winter season. And yeah, it's pretty much, that's the only time I use it. I do not use this during the summer. It is way too thick, but it is thick in the best possible way. They also have a lotion. They also have a body oil, which I use as well. But this one is special for just fall season. All right, let's wrap up with nails. So I want to first talk about the nails that I have been doing, which if you guys watch my vlog channel, you saw I did kind of like a little gel nail routine at home. I showed a little bit of it. I do want to film it for my channel here, you guys, but I want to make sure that I'm not doing anything incorrectly. I'm really learning through the process because I've been a nail polish girl my entire life, and I love it, but gel nails is a whole nother can of worms, okay? So the three gel nail colors though, right now I have regular nail polish on, but the 3 gel nail colors that I'm obsessed with and bought specifically for the fall were D&D Red. I use the D&D line for their gel. Fudgesicle, which is the most perfect like brownie vampy red. Basically think the one I'm about to show you in just a second. It's very similar to that. And then a deep blue. So these are like my standards. So this like midnight blue is just so pretty for the fall. You can also put it over a darker base and it'll give you more of a vampy color. And you've just got this red, which is more of like a, I don't know, I would say on the nail it gets a little bit darker, but it's kind of like more of a reddy pinky orange, but it's so pretty for the fall season. And then the Fudgesicle is the most beautiful brownie, chocolatey, reddy sort of color. I see so many people talking about cherry mocha, but this, in my opinion, Fudgesicle is my favorite. Okay, but if you're not a gel nail girly, I get you, it's fine. Even sometimes I like to take a break, like which is what I'm doing right now, and wear regular polishes. So in the same color category as those, I love this OPI's Big Apple Red, I think. Yeah, Big Apple Red, perfect red. I'm wearing it right now. Such a good formula, such a good color. Love a good red for fall. This one, Step Out of Line. I believe this was limited edition from their Essie collection, from one of their fall collections, but they have one very similar, which I will leave down below for you guys, but just a great vampy navy blue, which is so pretty on the nails. I actually like this one a little bit better than the D&D Sapphire Midnight, but stunning. And then this guy, this is Model Clicks. Very also similar to Essie's Wicked. Essie's Wicked I would say is a little more black undertone, but this is basically the same color as Fudgesicle, even though you wouldn't think it is. But again, just a nice dark vampy red. This has more like burgundy than brown, and more black maybe than brown with the Fudgesicle, but also just a great color. And if you're not into gel but you want a longer lasting polish, the Essie Gel Couture line is my favorite. So that is it, you guys. Those are all of my fall favorites. We've got clothes, shoes, accessories, nails, hair, all of the stuff. I love fall season. I love when seasons change all the time because I love when seasons change in general because I think it's a great time to just kind of fall in love with those products that you are either adding to your collection or some that I've had for a while that I bust out every season. And there's just something about a fall shoe and a fall nail color and a great jacket to just, you know, real ring in the fall season. Again, a big shout out to Fabria for partnering with me on today's video to share with you guys what I have picked up to add to my fall wardrobe, and I will leave all the details as well as my coupon code in the description box down below for you guys to check out. I know you are bound to find something. Like I said, they have over 300 global designers on their site, so once you fall in love with a designer, you will just have so much fun browsing through. I just love looking at all their jackets, and I personally am like going to wear the heck out of jackets this season. So I hope you guys enjoyed, found this video fun and helpful. Let me know what your favorite fall thing, whether it be nail color, clothing piece, shoes, accessories, whatever, let me know in the comments down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video very, very soon.